Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Children, yesterday we have seen Snell's law derivation. Today we will see total internal reflection. See, this is one phenomenon where, see, it is a different phenomenon. See, light rays travel from rarer medium to denser medium to rarer medium. So far we have seen, but in this phenomenon, let us say the glass lab experiments which we have done. This is a glass lab. Take a glass slab, keep it on the line and the normal axis पे वो पे join करो midpoint of the glass slab and take the laser light and keep it on the white paper and point out in such a way that the light impinges on the surface of the glass slab, okay, not in the air. So what is happening इसमें from denser medium to rarer medium light rays travel यहाँ से. सो दिस इज द पाथ ऑफ द लाइट रेस. इस तरह पॉइंट करे तो ये डेंसर मीडियम जाएगा और यहाँ है तो इट विल रिफ्रैक्ट क्या होगा, इट इज अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल. फॉर दिस एंगल लेट अस से एल, दिस इज जी, ये बड़ा रहेगा, दैट इज इट इज रिफ्रैक्टिंग अवे बिकॉज इट इज डेंसर एंड दिस इज रेयर मीडियम, दिस इज ग्लास, दिस इज एयर. So this is so now in this what will happen is at certain angle, मतलब ये angles ऐसा increase करते गए तो let us say we have started with C से below angle, that is a blue वाला is first one. Now take out and with the laser light let us say impinging, let us say this is glass or water and this is air, upper medium. ये interface is that medium which separates the air and glass and or air and water. Now see, when it is below the sea, light goes like this, but it has to go like this, but since it is changing medium, it is refracting away from the normal, ये normal. Okay, now second case black वाला ले लो. See, when it is at an angle start increasing, इस तरह यहाँ से ऐसे increase करते गए तो ये angle पे, C angle पे what will happen is the light ray which is hitting the glass slab, यह वाला, I am showing it from this side because यहाँ पे space और my left hander है. So this part as it is hitting, it will hit the graze, it will not go out, it will graze the surface of the glass slab. ये वाला surface glass slab का यूं कोना है ना, ऊपर से ऐसा आ जाएगा, इसमें से बाहर नहीं गया, इसमें से ऐसा आएगा. So that is what black line is showing. Blue line as it is refracting, first one blue line is refraction. ये grazing मतलब ऊपर से ऐसा टच करके वापिस बाहर नहीं जाएगा ना अंदर आएगा. Now when you start, this angle is called as C, it is called as critical angle. What is that? Critical angle. Now when the angle is greater than the critical angle, what will happen is the light rays will not travel to the rarer medium, but they will be inside the glass slab itself. So yeah, always this phenomenon total internal reflection happens from denser to rarer medium. This is the condition. Now see, critical angle C, that is as you start increasing for angles greater than C, लाइट रे बाहर ही नहीं जाएगा, अंदर ही रह जाएगा. जैसा इसमें डायमंड्स में है, बाकी के ब्रिलियंस ऑफ डायमंड्स में एक्सेट्रा माइरेजेस में. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, लेट अस सब्स्टिट्यूट द फार्मूला एंड गेट सी n1 sin i by n2 sin r we know. So n1 by n2 is equal to sin r by sin i, that is nothing but v2 by v1. but इसमें वेलोसिटी इन रेयर मीडियम इज ग्रेटर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट बिकॉज दिस इज n1, दिस इज n2, दिस इज डेंसर, दिस इज रेयर. So v2 is greater, so hence this value is always greater than 1. If this value is greater than 1, then we will understand that angle of refraction is greater than I. So the angle of incidence, that is this angle of incidence from which the light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium graze the surface, मतलब ऊपर से ऐसा टच करके जाएगा, graze the surface, that interface, that angle is called as critical angle and it is denoted by C. Now n1 by n2 is equal to ग्रेजिंग द सरफेस, मतलब क्या हो गया, नॉर्मल यहाँ पे एंगल, ये एंगल सी को एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन क्या हो गया, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. नॉर्मल से एंगल मेजर करे तो ये देखो दिस इज इसका एंगल, ये ब्लैक, ये नॉर्मल का लाइन n. सो इट इज 90 डिग्री. सो साइन 90 by 1, साइन 90 का वैल्यू वी नो 1. सो साइन सी इज c, सो 1 by sin c. नाउ साइन c इज इक्वल टू n2 by n1 इज इक्वल टू 1 by n1 of 2. Comparison with 2. Now see, it is it. So sine, and these values of sine can be found out by finding this sine inverse. C is equal to sine inverse, जो value यहाँ है n12 का value ऐसा कर सकते हैं 1 by N12. Now let us say for this it enters, and see red line, it shows red line never enters the rarer medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection phenomenon, where light rays when travel from denser medium to rarer medium, they will be inside the medium at that angle or angles greater than the criterion angle. Such phenomenon is called as total internal reflection. So now these are some examples. Now there is a, see in the textbook there is one problem which is given, a rectangular wedge prism is immersed in water, इस तरह. So ये जो है textbook में wedge का problem है. So in this is water, in this wedge is चकला का मुद्दा angle में this part. So this blue part is the, see it will be in which, let us say, a beam of light, this is the beam of light which is incident normal to the surface of the prism and also water, one surface of the prism. Now at what angle, ये angle alpha दिया हुआ है prism का, ये angle जो है prism में से जाते हुए water में नहीं गया, सब prism में कैसा रहेगा, at which angle, that is that critical angle पहचानोबल है यहाँ पे. Okay, at which angle it is greater than. Now let the refractive index of water be n is equal to 3/4, glass भी 3/2. ये तो आपको हमेशा याद रहना है, 3/2 4 और 3/4. Now let us say sin C is equal to refractive index of 1/2. So now 1/2 का value is 3/2 by n1/2 is 3/2/4/3 and it is 9/8. That means sin C is equal to inverse of 9/8 क्या होगा, 8/9. C is equal to C का वैल्यू होना होगा तो साइन इनवर्स, ये स्टेप टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं दिया है, C is equal to साइन इनवर्स 8/9. 8/9 का वैल्यू इफ यू सी देयर विल बी लॉगरिथमिक टेबल्स में, you will get 62 degrees 30 minutes. At this value are value greater than 62:30, alpha is equal to 62 degrees 30 minutes. और एक एंगल तो ये 90 हो गया, बाकी का ये एंगल प्रिजर्व करे तो वो that prism वो बनाए तो, so if it is that angle which is greater than that, prism जो है, prism में से रोशनी आई तो पानी में नहीं जाएगी, this is water, and ये prism का prism में ही रह जाएगी. So इस तरह, so this is critical angle का example. Tomorrow we will see about examples of total internal reflection and some more problems. Thank you children. Alhamdulillah.